Gold IRAs are an incredible tool for diversifying your wealth and protecting it against inflation and economic uncertainty. But, like anything that sounds too good to be true, there are hidden dangers you need to be aware of before jumping in. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide in the first link in the description. It covers everything you need to know about gold IRAs and why thousands of Americans are choosing them to secure their future. But let's get into the hidden dangers so you know exactly what to watch out for. One of the first dangers of gold IRAs is high fees. Some companies charge enormous fees that can eat away at your returns. We're talking annual fees, setup fees, storage fees, and even transaction fees. These hidden costs can really add up, especially if you don't keep an eye on them. That's why it's critical to know exactly what you're being charged before you sign up. Some companies might even hide these fees in fine print, so always read the details and ask for a breakdown of all costs up front. Another major danger is the risk of overpriced gold. There are companies out there that sell gold at inflated prices, making it seem like a great deal when in fact you're paying far more than the gold is worth. When you invest in a gold IRA, you want to ensure that the gold you're purchasing is priced fairly. There are even companies that try to push gold coins with excessive premiums attached. A legitimate gold IRA company will offer competitive prices that reflect the actual market value of the gold. Be cautious about high-pressure sales tactics designed to get you to buy gold at a markup. Next up, you need to be careful about where your gold is stored. Not all gold IRA companies use reputable, secure storage facilities. You want your gold to be stored in an IRS-approved depository where it's fully insured and protected. There have been cases of people being sold gold IRAs where the gold wasn't even stored securely, leading to massive losses. If a company isn't transparent about where your gold will be stored, that's a red flag. Always do your research and ask questions about the storage options. Another hidden danger is the potential lack of liquidity. While gold is generally considered a safe investment, it's not as liquid as cash or stocks. If you need to sell your gold in an emergency, you might find it harder to access the cash quickly, especially if the market is in a downturn. This is something that's often overlooked when people jump into gold IRAs without considering their broader financial situation. If you need flexibility in your investments, you might want to reconsider how much gold you put into your IRA. Lastly, there's the risk of getting scammed. As gold IRAs become more popular, unfortunately, scammers are also jumping in. From fake companies to fraudulent gold sales, there's no shortage of scams in this space. Always ensure you're dealing with a reputable company that has a solid track record and transparent policies. Look for reviews, ask for recommendations, and most importantly, never rush into a decision. Scams thrive when people act too quickly without doing enough research. Now that you know about these dangers, it's clear that gold IRAs can be a fantastic tool if used properly, but you need to avoid the pitfalls. To make sure you're on the right track and protecting your wealth the right way, grab the free guide in the first link in the description. If you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or if you're one of the many retirees with 5M Plus in savings, this guide will walk you through exactly how to protect your wealth and ensure your gold IRA is a smart, safe investment. Remember, it's not just about buying gold, it's about buying it wisely. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, this guide will help you take the next steps. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the first link in the description now.